I'm Ken Presner. I invented the Ultimate Zapper in 1996. People often ask me, how do you use the Ultimate Zapper? We see your instruction manual and your diagrams, but we'd like a video. Okay, here's your video. I'm working on a new prototype using the old QE3 zapper. I'm using one pair of handholds for the prototype to begin with. Here's how to proceed. You dampen the handholds covered in paper toweling. Here's the plug from the AC adapter. Here's the jack in the zapper box. Plug it in. Hold the handholds in your hands. Here's the switch. Flip the switch. The red light goes on. You're good to go. Easy as pie. Thanks for tuning in. Come back and see me again. Bye now.